unless and until you have a as-built SLD which is mirroring real-life conditions, a lot of your assumptions with respect to the system performing as desired will fall through the roof. Why is this happening? In my opinion, or before why it is happening, in what percentage of cases does this happen? I would say in more than 50% of cases, in our experience, this is the case where the as-built SLDs are not matching reality and the gap is quite significant. And this can lead to catastrophic consequences, which unfortunately we have been witness to in some cases. In our opinion, the biggest impediment to having an accurate as-built SLD, it's a stringent project deadlines which come into picture. And that is the reality or the nature of the beast, as they call it, in data centers especially, where the project stakeholders, right from your design consultants to your contractors, to your O&M personnel, to your OEMs, to your TNC consultants, they do not get enough time to validate what is actually being installed, what was designed, what is being installed, and hence the slippages or the minor slippages get introduced. They creep inside, and then the gap between real life versus as-built becomes more and more. Some of the major pain points that we have repeatedly come across has been with respect to conductor schedules, cable schedules, if you call it, lengths of conductors. They play an important role in deciding the short circuit levels of the facility. Your UPSs, TDS of UPSs not being reflected properly, improper trip unit types of the LV breakers. Interlock logic at times not being reflecting accurately on the single line diagram or the truth tables of the various permutations and combinations of redundancies that are possible in a data center. So earthing schematic, to name a few. So all of these are areas which creep in and cause differences between your as-built versus real installed infrastructure. And an example, a real life example, in one of the large colo sites that we did this exercise of going through and building an as-built entire network SLD for the entire MEP took us almost 240 site hours to complete and almost 800 off-site hours to finish. So you can imagine the amount of hours that we needed to spend to bring it closer to reality. So my advice is, please do not let this go on the side. Focus on getting your as-built SLD up to date, because that will become the blueprint for everything that the data center is going to be needing in the future with respect to condition monitoring, diagnostic testing, reliability, safety, and risk management of the entire data center.